Gower College Swansea is one of the largest further education colleges in Wales, and we continue to attract learners both within and beyond the local catchment area. And in terms of our subject choices, we actually offer over 40 different ASA levels, and that range stems from sort of traditional subjects to more non-traditional subjects where learners wouldn't have studied those at school. We will guarantee a place for every single learner, regardless of their qualification starting point. We will ensure robust advice and guidance, and that every learner gets tailored support to ensure they're on a course that suits their needs but also suits their career aspirations. I think an outstanding feature of the college is our extensive support for learners. So we actually have over 80 dedicated roles for student support to ensure that all of our learners are supported in terms of their course, in terms of their personal support, in terms of well-being. I think one of the unique features at Gower College Swansea is how much we are continuing to invest in the learner experience and facilities. So we have been fortunate in that we are one of the few colleges to actually consistently achieve our enrolment targets, which means that we're in a really stable financial position moving forward. That allows us to continue to invest in our capital estates and maintenance, allow us to ensure that we run all our courses, we're not in the habit of cutting any provision, and learners get exceptional experiences outside of their normal timetabled lessons. We pride ourselves on having an extremely positive relationship with our employers. We host an employer advisory board which contains representatives across industry, key industry leaders across all priority sector areas, which allows us to stay attuned to the needs of our employers and business needs, and allow us to develop new apprenticeship pathways, put on short, sharp upskilling courses to make sure we are meeting the needs of industry. Come down and speak to us. We will guarantee you a place on a course. We will provide you with that independent advice and guidance, and we will support that smooth transition into college, as we understand that is a significant step for both students and parents, but we will make sure that you're in a safe and supportive learning environment, and we will support you right the way through your journey with us.